Good morning, class 7. Welcome to math class. Today we are going to start chapter 5, exponents and powers. Now, what is exponents? We can write a large number in shorter form using exponent. How we can write a larger number into a short form using exponent? For example, 10,000. 10,000 we can write as 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. So how many times tens are here? 4 times. So we can write as 10 raised to power 4. So 10,000 is a larger number. We can write larger number using exponent in short form 10 raised to power 4. Now next is 32. 32 we can write 32 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So how many times 2 are here? 5 times. So 2 raised to power 5. Now if it is given minus 8 into minus 8 into minus 8 and write in the form of exponential, so minus 8 3 times is here, so we can write minus 8 raised to power 3. Now minus 8 raised to power 3. 3 is exponent, and what is minus 8? Minus 8 is the base. Base is minus 8 and 3 is exponent. Now there are some laws of exponents. These are very important, so learn it carefully. First is a raised to power m into a raised to power n. Now base is same and the power is different. So when base is same and power is different and multiplying sign is here, so we can write as a raised to power m plus n. Power will be added. Next is a raised to power m divided by a raised to power n. Base is same, divide sign is here and power is different. So power will be minus a raised to power m minus n, where m is greater than n. Third is a raised to power m into b raised to power m. Now base is different but power is same and multiply sign is here. So we can write as a into b whole power m, or we can write ab raised to power m. Next is a raised to power m divided by b raised to power n. Now a raised to power m divided by b raised to power n. Now base is different and power is different, so we can write as a raised to power m divided by b raised to power n. Next is a raised to power n whole power n. So this power will be multiply a raised to power m n. Next is a raised to power 0 equal to 1. If any number power is 0, then answer is 1. Next is minus 1 raised to power even number. If minus 1 is here and power is even number, then always answer is 1. Next is minus 1 and power is odd number, we get answer minus 1. For example, minus 1 raised to power 2. 2 is even number, so we can write minus 1 into minus 1, minus minus plus 1 into 1, 1. Minus 1 raised to power 3, we can write as minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 3 times. So minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. Now I am going to explain some question of exercise 5.1. Question number 1, a into a into a into c into c into c into c into d. A is 3 times, c is 4 times, d is 1 time. So a raised to power 3 into c raised to power 4 into d raised to power 1. We can write as a raised to power 3, c raised to power 4 and d. Next is 9 raised to power 3 is given. We have to simplify. So write as 9 as 3 times, 9 into 9 into 9. 9 9s are 81, 81 9s are 729. Next question, 5 raised to power 3 or 3 raised to power 5. We have to compare which one is greater. 5 raised to power 3, write 5 into 5 into 5, we get 125. 3 raised to power 5, 5 times, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, we get 243. So which number is greater? 243. 3 raised to power 5 is greater than 5 raised to power 3. Next is 3125 expressed as a prime factor. So with the help of prime factorization method, we can solve it. 3125 in the table of 5, when we divide, we get 625. Again in the table of 5, we get 125. Again in the table of 5 we get 25. Again divided by 5 we get 5. Again divided by 5 we get 1. So how many times 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times. 5 raised to power 5 is the answer. Next question we have to simplify. 4 raised to power 2 minus 3 raised to power 2 into 2 raised to power 3. 4 raised to power 2, 4 into 4 minus 3 raised to power 2, 3 into 3 into 2 raised to power 3. 3 times we have to write 2 into 2 into 2. 4 4s are 16 minus 3 3s are 9 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 8. 16 minus 9, 7. 7 into 8, 56. So 56 is the answer. So you have to try exercise 5.1. Thank you so much.